Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by turning the pants inside out and exposing the waistband seam so you can work cleanly. Use a seam ripper to open about 2 inches near an elastic end. Make sure the fabric stays flat and pinned. Once done, insert a thin awl or needle to find the elastic tube and mark both elastic ends with a marker so you know where to stop. This prevents accidental cutting later and lets you pull the elastic smoothly. You next enlarge the opening enough to reach the elastic without widening the hole more than necessary. Precision keeps the waistband intact. Use needle nose pliers to grasp the elastic and pull steadily. If it resists, snip stitches every few inches along the casing and extract small segments so fabric doesn't bunch. Make sure to work evenly around the waistband so tension is released uniformly. This helps keep the waistband. You complete the job by trimming ragged threads and resewing the casing with a zigzag or stretch stitch so the fabric retains give. If you're inserting new elastic, measure against the original length and mark with a pin before threading. Use a safety pin to guide it and hold ends while stitching closed. If the waistband warps, make sure to press and add a lightweight fusible interfacing. If seams pucker, rip and shorten the elastic by 1/4 and test again, which usually fixes tension issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.